In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ads to your Odoo website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the home page of your Odoo website. You can easily do this by entering your website URL into your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll be ready for the next step. Now that you're on the home page, look for that Edit button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen. So go ahead and click on that Edit button. This will take you into the editing mode, which is where all the magic happens. With the editing interface up and running, your next task is to find the embed code block. You can usually locate this in the block section of the editing panel. Once you find it, click and drag the embed code block to the area on your web page where you want your ads to appear. This is your canvas for advertisement placement, so feel free to position it wherever you think it will be most effective. Once you have the embed code block in place, click on it to select it. This will allow you to modify its contents. Look for the Edit option in the right panel of the screen. By clicking this, you'll be ready to insert your own HTML code. Now it's time to edit the embed code. Here, you'll see a box that represents the current embed code. You will want to replace this existing code with the actual HTML code for your ads. If you have the ad code ready to go, simply paste it into this box. Once you've replaced the code, it's important to ensure that everything looks good. You may want to preview how the ads will appear on your website visually. This step is crucial because you want to make sure that your ads are not only functional, but also visually appealing on your site. Finally, after confirming that everything appears as you want, go ahead and click on the Save button. This is a vital step because it will make all the changes you made visible on your live website. You really want to take this step seriously, as clicking Save is what finalizes your adjustments. Now your ads should be up and running for your visitors to see. And that's it. You've successfully added ads to your Odoo website. Remember, integrating ads can be a powerful way to generate revenue, so make sure to keep track of their performance and adjust as needed. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Your support helps us create more tutorials like this. Happy advertising and best of luck with your Odoo website.